In this video, we'll walk through exactly how to import contacts into TeamGate CRM, making it easy to get your data in and start managing your business relationships. But stick around, because I'll also share a better alternative at the end of the video that could offer even more for your specific needs. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your TeamGate CRM account. Once you're in, navigate to the Contacts section. This is where all your data is stored and where you'll want to bring in any new contacts. TeamGate allows you to import contacts in several ways, so you have flexibility in how you do this. Next, you'll see an Import button on the top right of your Contacts page. When you click on it, you'll be prompted to choose a file. TeamGate supports CSV files, so if you have your contacts stored in an Excel or Google Sheet, you'll need to export them as CSV files first. Once you've selected your CSV file, TeamGate will give you a preview of the data you're about to import. This step is crucial because you need to make sure the data fields in your file match up with the fields in TeamGate. If something is off, you can map your columns manually. For example, if your spreadsheet has a phone number column, make sure it lines up with the phone number field in TeamGate. After mapping the fields, click Next and TeamGate will start importing the contacts. Depending on the number of contacts you're importing, this could take a few moments. Once it's complete, you'll be able to see your contacts in the system, and they'll be ready for use in your CRM. The fourth thing to note here is that TeamGate does allow you to import directly from other CRM systems or Google Contacts. This makes transitioning from another platform a lot easier and can save you time. But there's a catch. TeamGate's import process can be a little clunky if you have a large number of contacts or need to make complex adjustments. Now, let's talk about some limitations. While TeamGate CRM does make it easy to import contacts, it's not the most flexible when it comes to customizing the import process. If you need advanced features, like bulk editing or conditional logic for sorting data, you might run into some issues here. For small teams or straightforward use cases, TeamGate works well. But if you're dealing with larger datasets or more complex business needs, TeamGate might not be enough. Next, I want to mention something important. We've tested several CRMs for importing contacts, and while TeamGate is solid, there are alternatives out there that offer more features and flexibility, especially if you need customization and deeper analytics. At this point, I have an exclusive offer for you. Through our link, you'll get access to an extended free trial of TeamGate CRM. But here's the kicker. I've also included alternatives that could better suit your needs, especially if you want a CRM that does more than just contact imports. These alternatives also have free trials, so you can test them out with no risk. If you're looking for something that goes beyond the basics and helps with growth, you'll want to check out these alternatives. By using the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial available and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. In conclusion, while importing contacts into TeamGate CRM is a simple and quick process, it might not be the best fit for everyone. Stick around and check out the alternatives I've linked in the description and get access to tools that can help you manage your CRM more effectively and efficiently.